Hello, in this video I will show you how to reverse the sound in CapCut in PC. First you need to select the sound and put on the timeline, and then select any image you have in your PC and place on the above the sound. Adjust according to your audio length. Right now I am making it short to reduce the length of the audio and image. Then select the control key and select the both image and audio. Then right click and create compound clip. Click on that, and here you can see the reverse option is available now what you have to do is click on that and wait till the process is completed. So when the reverse process is complete and you need to extract audio, and now click on that image and delete it, and now you can export the audio. So this is very simple and very easy to reverse the sound in CapCut in PC. So I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.